Alright, this is a Ford pickup truck, and I believe this is an 04. Truck itself is in nice shape, but it has a bad frame, so I gotta cut the frame in half and put a new back section on. And this is the frame section, and right where this seam is, this factory seam, I gotta cut it there and change the back half of the frame. So I'll take other pictures showing the progress. Okay, right now we're ready to take the box off. That's a jig I made for taking the boxes off. My trusty old CJ5 that I turned into a fork truck. But anyway, the box is ready to come off. Alright. Okay, we just took the box off. There's the box there dangling on the jig. And over there we're going to set it on a big stool. I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, we got the box off after I cut the frame. Then I'll show you what the old frame looked like. Over here I have these it's like a big jack stand, and I use that to hold the box for. Alright, we're doing an update. Just got the gas tank off, so now with it jacked up we could get an idea how bad the frame was. We'll crawl under here. This passenger side here, this is real bad. Well, it goes, the rots all the way up to the shackle for the spring. It just collapsed. And this side here. So what I got to do is, at this factory seam here on both sides, that's where I got to cut and splice. Because from there forward the frame is still decent, surprisingly. Well, I never cared for them running boards, them aftermarket, because they just rot away to nothing, like this one. But stay focused on the frame. So hopefully by the end of today we're going to cut the frame. And I still have some miscellaneous stuff to remove. Alright. Well, I'm done for today. I got everything ready. Jack stands are in place. And got a couple small things like take the bolts out of the back shackles. Front shackles bolts are already out. Disconnect the shocks. And like I said, gas tanks removed, some wiring pulled back. So tomorrow I'm ready to cut the frame, and then continue until the next phase. Next video will be I'm going to cut the that frame apart and get that dressed up, ready to go in. All right, the next phase. The old frame is removed, and speaking of the old frame, this was the passenger side. This is the bottom, and we had some more rot there, and right there. That's something how that it just split right apart. So at this stage of the game, where I did a rough cut, I got to trim that, the original part of the frame. Then over here, The next part is to, I got a cut right here on the factory seam, clean that up, and this section will be ready to go in. This frame section is all cleaned up, ready to go in. The original frame, that's all cut and clean, all dressed. I would have had the frame section in today, but I'm waiting on parts. I have to put the cab mounts, the two back cab mounts, I got to put them on the frame before I slide it in. I had to order new ones. I got one, I'm still waiting for the other one. So hopefully tomorrow I can get the new section of the frame in place, and then a little tweaking as far as lining everything up, and then once it's welded, putting the rest together is pretty easy. I got the new frame section in place. I can't slide it in. I made it up with the original frame. I'm still missing one cab mount, because once I slide it in, it's too long to try and get in afterwards. So right now, that's once I get it lined in, tweaked out, then I can weld right at the factory seam. Well, so far so good. I wanted to get this welded up today, but waiting on parts. Well, and with the equipment I have between the Bobcat and my old trusty CJ5 I turned into a fork truck, I'm doing this as a one-man job. I can function pretty good. Alright, until the next part. The new frame section is in and welded up. Now it's just I put the gas tank back on, ran the wiring, brake lines, some miscellaneous stuff. There's where it was welded. This is the passenger side. I'll go around to the driver's side. So there's the front half of the frame. And there's that side there. And that's that side welded, and over there it's all welded up. And now, alright, the frame's done, and now I'm ready to put the box on. That's what we're going to do now. Well, the box is ready to go on. Next video will be after the fact. I ran into my first little problem. I went to put the bumper on, and these brackets that are welded on the back of the frame are different than these. So I got to do a little modification, it seems like. Well, it's done. Except this is an 04 truck And the frame section I got was an 05. So the bumper brackets are different. So the 04 bumper won't fit. So we have to get a 05 bumper. That's minor. But other than that, it's all done complete. Alright, this is the last update for this truck. Like I said, it's an 04. It's 12 years old. So finding a decent frame was like a needle in a haystack. I'm doing this job for a dealer. So we lucked out, we got an 05 frame that was in real nice shape. But I guess Ford, between 04 and 05, they changed the back bumper brackets. So after talking with the dealer, they didn't want to put an 05 bumper on it. They wanted me to put the original bumper back on. So I had to cut them brackets off. And then I had to put the original brackets back on. And weld them to the frame. So other than that, this was the latest update. So now I got to deliver the truck. This truck only has 51,000 on it.